Welcome to the Dusk IAP Onboarding webinar for time and attendance. I'm Alan King. In this webinar, we'll have a look at the key features and benefits of the Dusk IAP, how to set up your account, navigating the dashboard, some time tracking best practices, and how to generate reports. So let's jump into it. What is the Dusk IAP? Well, it's a suite of time tracking tools built to increase revenue for your business. Each tool solves a specific time tracking problem, and when used together, your business can account for all time, all of the time. The tools comprise of time and attendance, field service management, and project management. Our software is designed to help businesses efficiently track and manage time of their employees, contractors, and equipment, leading to improved productivity, better project management, and accurate invoicing. Whether you're a small team or a large enterprise, the Dusk IAP provides a robust solution for time tracking and reporting as a single pane of glass. The features and benefits. The Dusk IAP offers intuitive and user-friendly time tracking. The software provides easy-to-use timers, timesheets, and manual entry options, allowing your team to accurately record their hours worked. Trading up from manual processes closes office, field, and customer loops. The Dusk IAP also enables project management and task allocation. You can create projects, assign tasks, and track progress, ensuring efficient workflow management end-to-end. Providing maximum visibility for technicians, teams, and customers leads to faster closeouts for faster cash flow. Furthermore, revenue can be increased through field added work. The Dusk IAP offers comprehensive reporting and analytics. Our software generates detailed reports, giving you insights into employee productivity, project budgets, and resource allocation. The Dusk IAP is the power platform for supercharged customer satisfaction. So let's look at setting up your account. Step 1. Head on over to our website, duskmobile.net/register, and complete the fields. Look out for the welcome email in your inbox. Follow the instructions to create your account. If you're an administrator, you'll have access to additional settings and permissions. And then step 2. Once you've created your account, you can customize your company settings, which include address, workweek settings, and project templates. These settings ensure that the Dusk IAP aligns with your organization's specific needs. This is the registration form. Choose a company name in here, which automatically generates as your site. The administrator signs up with the first name, last name, and email. Have a read through the terms and conditions and the privacy policy, confirm you're not a robot, and register. You'll then receive an email in your inbox, so look out for that one. So navigating the dashboard. You can easily create and manage projects within the dashboard, assign tasks, set deadlines, and track progress, all from one centralized location. The dashboard also allows you to track individual and team member activities, view timesheets, and review logged hours. It provides a comprehensive snapshot of your team's productivity. This can be discovered in here. New projects can be clicked through this method here, and then tasks can be assigned to people through this method. Some time tracking best practices. So tip 1. Start by encouraging your team members to track their time consistently. Remind them of the importance of accurate time tracking for project planning, customer billing, and performance evaluation. Tip 2. Utilize the Dusk IAP timers and reminders to help employees stay on track. Setting up reminders can prevent forgetfulness and ensure that tasks are tracked promptly. Tip 3. Encourage employees to include detailed descriptions when logging their time. This all helps provide clarity and context for the work performed, which can be valuable for future reference and reporting purposes. Tip 4. Regularly review and analyse the data generated by the Dusk IAP. Identify patterns, bottlenecks, or areas where time is being wasted. This information can help you make informed decisions and streamline your workflow. So generating reports. Navigate to the reports section within the Dusk IAP dashboard. Here you can select the desired parameters such as date range, projects, or specific team members to generate targeted reports. Step 2. The Dusk IAP offers various types of reports such as timesheets, project summaries, and employee performance reports. These reports can be exported in different formats, such as PDF or CSV for easy sharing and analysis. Step 3. Analyse the generated reports to identify trends, evaluate project progress, and make data-driven decisions. The reporting feature provides valuable insights to optimise resource allocation and project efficiency. Using a variety of different drop-down filters here and date ranges, you can choose reports that match your need. You can filter by your staff, your customers, projects, etc. as well. Should you need a reminder of how the time tracking capability works within the Dusk IOP, you can head over to the right here and click Help. Then click on Walk Me Through. This brings up 3 options for project management, field service management, and time and attendance. From this pop-up, click on Time and Attendance. This then launches the tour within the Time and Attendance module, showing you what each field does. So in closing, thank you all for joining us today. I hope this onboarding webinar has provided you with a solid foundation for using the Dusk IOP effectively. Remember, efficient time management leads to increased productivity and better project outcomes. If you have any further questions or need assistance, our support team is always available to help. Support can be accessed through the LifeRing Help icon within the Dusk IOP instance and then the Contact Support button from the wiki. Have a productive day.